Hi there, my name is Morzikor from Bricks Templates, and today we're going to show you how you can easily change the hover color on your Webflow template. So sometimes certain buttons, links, or just interactive elements have colors on hover, meaning that when you roll over your mouse, the color change. However, sometimes these can be a little tricky to edit, and that's why we're recording this quick video. So we're going to do this tutorial with one of our most popular Webflow templates called X. However, if you are on another Webflow template, please keep in mind the process is the same, so don't feel overwhelmed and just follow the tutorial and you will be able to change the color super easily. Okay, so let's get started. So first, we're going to explain you how you can change the color for the main basic elements, for example, buttons or links in the header. So let's take the example of the About button here. So if we go into the preview, you will see that if you hover over the About element, it changes to blue. But how do you change its color? Because if you select it, you'll see that by default, it shows the color. Sorry, it shows the color just in neutral, like kind of the default color that it has. So what you need to do is that you need to click on this little drop down, select hover, and you will see it has primary here. So then you can change this to red or just any color you want. And then you go into the preview. Let me just disable the hover. You will see that the hover is now red, just as you like as you decided. So as you can see, it's super simple, and this applies to a lot of elements. So like you can do the same thing with buttons, or you can do the same thing with links on the footer, or many other kind of links. However, you will realize that there's certain kind of elements, like for example, the elements that are based on Webflow interactions, that are not actually being able to change like that. So for example, if we go into the About page on this template and we scroll down to the bottom, you'll see that we have this section here with the offices. And if we go into the preview, these offices actually change like to blue. However, if you select the color in here and you go into hover, there's actually no blue. So like you may be confusing like what's actually happening in here. So the problem is actually very simple. Uh, for certain elements that have more complex interactions, the interactions are actually done with the Webflow interaction. So you can imagine like a custom interaction or animation, and you can find them in here. So what you need to do is first identify where the interaction is. So in this case, for example, you can see that the hover applies to all the card. So the interaction it actually belongs to the card. So if you see in your cyber navigator, you can see that the card is in here and it has that little thunder icon. So that means the interaction is inside the card. So if you click that one and then you go into the interactions here, you will see that it has a mouse hover interaction. So like that's pretty much it. So if you click on that one and then you scroll to that interaction, you will see there's like a lot of interactions in here. No worries about that. So you just need to scroll to the one you're looking for. Then you need to click on these little settings, and then you will see that you have the different actions. And on some of those, you'll have text color updates. So for example, in this case, there's like a text color change, and it says like the typography is going to change to this color. So you go ahead here and change this to red, you will see it's pretty much working now. So it's going to red. So if you go into the preview and click, it's now in red, just as you expected. So as you can see, actually changing the color for the interaction is not complicated at all. It's just a matter of identifying what element has the interaction, going into the interaction, edit that, and change the color. And that's pretty much it. So if you're in some cases not able to find where the hover is, it's very likely it's an interaction. So just go ahead, edit that one, and you should be all set. And that is pretty much it. So as you can see, changing hover color is super simple, and that's why we created this tutorial for you. In case you have any other questions, please feel free to send us an email and we will be more than happy to help you. And that is pretty much all for the moment. My name is